We're the owners of Type Medical Center. Today, we want to tell you about what Type Medical Center does, because we get that question a lot, I think, right, Cherise?
Quite a bit.
You know, are you a trainer? Are you a supplement company?
A gym?
A gym. So we get a lot of different questions, right?
Absolutely.
So we want to tell everybody like what Type Medical Center does and how we can really help them, okay? So Type Medical Center, if people really don't know what we do, I always tell them we do hormone replacement therapy for males and females, medical weight loss, vitamin amino acid injectable therapies, rejuvenation detox, and a lot more, because it's really custom on their goals. There's no really set regimen for one different person. Different people require different therapies to get them to different goals, to get them the different results that they want. So I think that's a big one, right?
Absolutely. Everybody wants to look better, feel better, perform better.
I think quality of life is key, though, because quality of life really means their day-to-day living, how their affected day goes. That goes from all the way from the start, waking up refreshed, right? Having a good attitude, mental clarity, being able to get through the day with enough energy, doing their job, whatever job they have requires. That could be from a doctor to a landscaper, whoever it may be. They still got to be in tune to what they're doing. Plus, they got to stay some time for their family or for themselves. If they want some private time, they want to go into hobbies, or they've got the family life like me and you do, right? These different therapies, cutting edge therapies, that's what Type Medical Center is all about. You know, helping people be their best, feel their best, look their best, but also having these cutting edge therapies that will definitely help them in these different ways with being preventative, or giving them anti-aging properties, or helping them be better in all different ways, shapes, or forms. And that's one thing Type Medical Center can do, and that's what I want to stress to people today. As far as blood testing, we do blood testing that, you know, other general primary doctors don't do on their patients.
Right.
You know, we can send people in wherever they're at in the state of Florida here and help them in the state of Florida. So at that point, they could be their very best. They can get monitored by these doctors that are very in tune to preventative and anti-aging medications, because usually the general doctors are not, right?
Right.
They're in tune to, hey, listen, there's a problem, let's fix it. Let me hear that one problem, get you out the door, because I have to move on to the next person. I think that's my biggest thing. Even with testosterone replacement, hormone replacement therapy it's becoming very, very popular these days. Everybody's getting into this.
It used to not be.
It didn't used to be. There was really, really bad stereotypes and bad myths about hormone replacement therapy or testosterone replacement therapy. It's becoming new age. Everybody's being more educated than ever on these things. They want to feel better, right? So they're going in. But when they're getting the treatment, they really don't know from their doctor what to really ask for. And that's really what we want to educate people for.
Sure.
To ask the right questions so you get the right answers, so you get the best benefit for your health. So when you go into a medical provider or your general doctor and they say, you know, how did my labs come out? Well, everything come out great. Well, what does that mean, right? What tests did you run on me? What did we really check for?
Right.
Is there anything we can improve on, right? You know, so that's a big thing. And I think education is key for all patients.
Education.
Our patients, we like to educate them fully about what's going on. And you know, people out there that might not be our patients, we want to make sure that you guys are educated on what we're doing and what you should really be asking for. Even if you don't come to us, you've got some ammo in your back pocket that you guys can use to get the best possible treatment. So we want to thank everybody for tuning in. Make sure you follow us on all our social media platforms: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, YouTube, and all those great social media platforms. We can also help you with blood testing all throughout the state. We can help you as patients. All you got to do is call or text 727-389-3220.